Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set the Safari default search engine to Google, Yahoo or Bing on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, swipe up to go down, and in here, tap on Safari. Next, we go down to the search section and tap on search engine. Now select your favorite search engine that you would like to use. So here we got Google, Yahoo or Bing. Select one of the options. And then we tap on the back key to go back into settings or swipe up to return back to the home screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.